Welcome back to Nailed It. Today I have this beautiful set for you all, so stay tuned and I'll show you how to recreate it. First, I'll be starting with my Glitter Planet UK's Synthetic 8 Gel Brush and Light Elegance What Incarnations. I'm going to be applying this on my pinky and my pointer finger and then I'm going to give it a cure in my light for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to go back in with What Incarnations and I'm just going to do a second layer on those same two fingers. So I'm going to apply that and then give it another cure in my light for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to go in with my Light Elegance tack. This is like a bonding agent. I'm also going to use my Glitter Planet UK's brush because I didn't put it in my bottle because it's the refill. And then once I'm done with this, I'm going to give it a cure for 30 seconds in my light. And then I'm going to go in with these real flowers. I believe I got this off of AliExpress or Amazon. I'm not sure. I just know that it's been in my nail arsenal for a really long time. So I'm going to, like, the tack is very sticky and I should have just like took it off my brush because I felt like my brush was making it stick to my brush and not my nails because it wasn't cured on my brush. Yeah, it was like a whole big ordeal. So definitely take that with a grain of salt. I wouldn't recommend it. And now I'm going to go in with my masterpiece. It's this beautiful glitter gel and I'm going to just like put this all around my flowers. I want this nail to be like very three-dimensional and just like you're looking at it and you're just trying to figure out like what is going on with that nail. Like there's just so much awesomeness going on. And is that a real flower? Like that's what I had a couple people tell me. So I wanted that nail to be just like that. Well, these two nails to be just like that. And I feel like it came out really good despite, you know, me having difficulties laying that flower down. Like I know how to lay flowers down, but for whatever reason I feel like I forgot. So now I'm going to go in with my tweezers and my gold leaf and I'm just going to add a pop of gold on those nails just like here and there. I don't have any like rhyme or reason to what I'm doing. I just want a lot of extraness on this nail and a lot of like, oh my gosh. And I felt like the gold leaf definitely paired with my masterpiece so beautifully because it has that pink aspect to it, but it definitely has like that gold shift in the glitters. Like if you guys ever seen it in person, it's just really, really beautiful. And I just thought that it brought out that like goldness when I added the gold flakes to it. And it's just, oh my gosh, like it was just such a really pretty nail. I'm kind of just like, oh, maybe I should have did my whole like all 5 nails like the same. That would have been cool. Now I'm going to go in with my Wildflowers foil gel, sorry, and I'm just going to add it in a couple of spots. I don't want it to be crazy. I just want a little bit of foil on my nails, just a little bit, because it's not the right color, but it just added some oomph to the set. You know what I mean? Like I just wanted a little sprinkle of it. So I felt like I did that very good, very like gentle, you know, with it, and I didn't go too overboard, so it just came out perfect, just a little touch of it. And like I said, like this nail has a lot going on with it, but it turned out so pretty. Like I usually never do too much, but today I was doing too much. And now I'm going to go back in with my masterpiece. This gel is just so gorgeous. And I'm just going to add some more of that oomph, you know, to the set, because I felt like it just needed a little bit more. I wanted that glitter gel at the forefront. Like when you're looking at the nails, you see that shift because you can see the shift through all of the rest of the things that I put on my nails. So, you know, I just thought it turned out so good, you guys. So now I'm going to cure that, and I'm going to go in with my Kiara Sky Builder Gel and these little decals or decals, I don't know how you say it, and I'm going to cap those nails that I did the flowers on, and then I'm going to do a thin layer on the pink nail that I use Wedding Carnations. I'm going to add those little studs on there and then cure it. You guys don't see me add the studs on there. I thought I had that in the video, but I guess I didn't. You know, I just do these videos like so far in advance, so I thought I got the footage, but I didn't. And then I'm going to cure that in my light for 30 seconds, and now I'm going to go in with my Kiara Sky top coat, and then now you guys can see that those are on my nails. I'm going to top cure it, and right now these are like the little decals or the little decals, whatever you want to call them, are completely flush with my nail, like you can't feel them. And I just thought that was perfect. I like that, and I didn't have to use nail glue. I didn't have to do all that extraness. And so these are my final results, you guys. I just thought that the set came out so pretty and so girly and super perfect for spring. Like, I was loving this set, and so did a lot of, like, you know, my coworkers, my family, my friends, you know, so it just came out so beautiful. Like, I definitely recommend it. And yeah, I'm just loving the set, you guys. So let me know what you guys think down below, how you guys are feeling about it. Do you guys think it's perfect for spring? Do you have Wedding Carnations? I feel like that is a beautiful pink color gel. As always, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that post notification bell so you guys don't miss another upload from me. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.